Hi guys, welcome to the first video of our React Router series. Okay, in this video, first of all, we will be understanding what is React Router and what is the need for it. And after having the basic knowledge of React Router and its need, from next video, we are going to start up the setup process, and in the upcoming videos, we are going to learn more one by one topic on React Router. So first of all, let's discuss what we are going to study in this video. We are going to see what is React Router. Then we are going to understand why do we use routing in React app? What was the need for it, right? Because in usual apps, we do not do a separate routing, right? We have separate pages for it. So what is that the need of routing is there here, okay? Why do we need React Router? And finally, we are also going to see one important interview question on this topic. So first of all, let us understand what is React Router. React Router basically is a routing library that we use in React application. Now, when I say routing library, which means it is an external package, it does not we do not write the code from scratch in our code. We just import the library and then make use of it, okay? The features provided by that library, you will get to know more about it once you see more videos on this, okay? It enables single page application behavior. So guys, as we all know that via React we make single page applications. Now in single page application, what happens is that there is only one page on your website and you have to show multiple pages in your website. So in order to do that, what we do is we make use of React Router. In order to give you one example, what I will do is I will take you to react.dev website, and if you see, this is a single page application website, okay? And these are different pages in it. So when I say different pages, what is happening over here is that I'm even switching my pages, but if you notice here on this refresh icon, it is not refreshing, okay, when I'm moving from one page to another. So this is only what is called a single page. We have created an app which is super fast because it is single page, everything is happening on the same page, whereas we are rendering different pages as components via React Router, okay? So that is what we are going to learn in this series. Help switch components based on the URL without reloading the page. So what does this mean? So if you see, when I'm switching the components, okay, here where I'm switching from one to another, just notice the URL, okay? Right now I am on react.dev/reference/react. Now it is changed to community. Now it is changed to blog. So in this way, based on the URL, without reloading the page, we are switching the components. Commonly used in real world apps like dashboards, e-commerce, etc. So guys, you can also understand if your app is a little big, okay, and it has multiple pages, so you want to render or you want to switch between pages, then this is very important to understand routing, and this is also very important when it comes to interview topics. So why now the question arises, why we should use React Router, okay? So first of all, it enables multiple pages in a React application, which we have already seen via an example. Next is it provides clean URL based navigation, which I just showed you, right? It also supports dynamic routing, private routes, nested routes. So guys, these are some of the concepts which we are going to see one by one in the upcoming videos, okay? So you will get to know more about it. Next is seamless user experience without full reloads. So guys, you have seen the performance of the application. When I was switching from one page to another, it happens within like seconds, right? And the page does not even loads, right? Whereas if you might have observed this in the old applications which were built using plain JavaScript or plain HTML, CSS, there used to be a lot of loading time that it used to take. So this is also one of the important features, that it provides a seamless user experience without full reloads. Now comes to the interview question, okay? So guys, I will be creating these videos in such a way that after studying every topic, we will be discussing one interview question, so that you will also be interview ready. So the question that we have for today is, how does React Router differ from traditional routing in multi-page application? So the answer for this will be, React Router enables client-side routing, okay? Unlike traditional routing where each navigation triggers a full page reload, React Router updates the URL and renders the component without reloading the page, preserving the state and improving the performance. So basically guys, this answer contains all these all these things only which we have discussed in the why we should use React Router. The same thing we have told in a paragraph way, but I hope you have understood now what is React Router. Now you are basically ready to move forward with the actual setup of React Router and to start learning it. So guys, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Please make sure to join me on Telegram and follow me on Instagram as well. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure to do so that you get the latest regular updates whenever I upload a new video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching the video, and I will see you next time.